because everybody is home today. It is Boxing Day, also known as December 26th, and we just took down the tree and are cleaning up the living room so that I can rearrange it and get my new scrap space all set up. So I am super excited. So I got a bunch of stuff on my bed and all over the floor and stuff because I'm gonna start organizing and going through all of my scrappy stuff and figuring out how I want to organize it in the living room. But we're also going to keep this desk in here with the printer, and we're going to keep my cubes in here as well. But this shelf, this black shelf that has paper scraps in it, and my mixed media cart is going to go out into the living room with my desk. So we're just trying to figure all of that out today, this morning. I think it's about, gosh, I don't even know, noon, 12:30, maybe 1, something like that. But whoa, we are getting that all figured out today, and I'm super excited because I haven't really scrapbooked a bunch since the beginning of December. I've done a little bit here and there, but I'm super excited to get started on creating more for next year so that I can be more in the community and everything. I have a lot of goals and stuff that I want to accomplish next year. So I'm going to do a goal video as well as a couple other videos based around the new year. And I'm also planning on doing one last December daily video for you guys. And then I think that will be it for December daily. But I have lots of plans for the new year, and it's all starting with this reorganization of my scrapbooking supplies and putting them all away and trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy this one. Okay, this is the finished product so far. And I moved out. This is just filled with scrapbooking paper. And then I moved out my mixed media cart as well. And this is like the new setup. And as you can tell, I did not do any organizing on my desk or anything, which that will have to come another day because it's already like almost 4 o'clock and I'm kind of just worn out and done. But I will do a before picture and an after picture, and you guys can tell me whether or not you think it's much improved. We have like 6 feet of space here, maybe even more, which is insane because we haven't had that much space in our living room in like 3 years. I feel like more than 3 years. Well, we haven't lived here for 3 years yet, so hopefully not. But yeah, and we're working on laundry and crap, so I'm pretty, oh yeah buddy, I'm pretty proud of myself. It looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna chill. Oh, and this is, my wife has been working on this project for me. This is my Christmas present. Isn't it so pretty? My favorite colors are pink and purple, and so this is her and this is me. But this is the date that we got married this year. So yay, I love it. I'm so excited to hang it up. And then we're gonna put that picture next to it on the wall. It's gonna go right there whenever we get around to it, right dude? So we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty happy with the living room. It looks pretty good. I just need to organize my dirty desk now, don't I? We'll see how that goes. Anyway, happy scrapping. Okay, scrapbookers, this is where the video comes to an end soon here in the next couple minutes. I wanted to just get on and say thank you for watching. This video is going to actually be a series. I am going to, over the next month or so, post every Sunday a new organizing video. So after Christmas, I just wanted to wipe the slate clean and just make everything organized and fit better in the living room. It did take quite a few months. It is now March that I am starting to go through these videos and edit them, and I am finally feeling like my scrap area in the living room is organized, and I'm feeling a lot better about it. Here you can see I'm going through a scrapbooking retreat bag, and I actually decide at a later date to put all of those papers back in that one bag because, again, I don't have a lot of space in the living room, and so it does make it a little bit easier to not have everything just out in boxes. So you can see here that I do have a bunch of boxes that I'm starting to go through, and in later videos you will see me going through more boxes. So here are the before pictures. This was the beginning of December, and then this was December 26th, the day that we were starting to clean up. Thank you again for watching, and I hope that you will be back next Sunday to see more. Bye!